Welcome, in front of me OPPO A79, and now I'm gonna show you how to make this device faster. So firstly, remember one rule: never fill up your internal storage over the 70%, 75%. So you need to have 25 or 30% free on your device. As you can see, I have a lot of free space on my device, so this problem don't touch me. And the second aspect is the RAM. So as you can see, here we have the RAM expansion feature, and it's better to enable 6 or 8 gigabytes of RAM expansion and then reboot your device. I will don't do it now, and that's it. And the last aspect you need to do from time to time is you need to find in phone manager. Oh, it's here. In phone manager, when you have no 100%, you need to click optimize, and clicking on this button, it will just optimize your system. You don't need to do it every day, but it's better if you will do it once a week, once or several times a month. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.